what you got to take, and all that focus is just playing Florida.
No, I don't think our focus is going to on playing Florida. We respect every team. As you go through college, you learn to never overlook anyone. Anybody can lose. Anybody can be beaten out. We never overlook an opponent. We know losing in Texas very good team, but we're ready to play.
Sean, it seems like Missouri and A&M season are going to be pretty much intertwined in the first year of the SEC. You guys have gotten a lot of advice from other SEC programs about what to expect. What would you say the SEC should expect from Missouri after playing them last year?
Missouri's a good team. They have a good quarterback. They hit hard on defense. I think the other team should expect a good game out of Missouri, a good game out of us. I don't think that they should come into our game expecting a win automatically. They should definitely come ready to play, just like every other Saturday in the SEC. We're excited looking at this in the conversation. Our student section is really excited about it. All of our students are in, and that's all they've been talking about ever since we found out that we were coming. So, 12th man is ready. They'll be standing the entire game. Every SEC game we play at home. They love it. We're excited to welcome them.
Are you glad to be away from Texas?
Away from
the University of Texas?
Oh, the University of Texas? Oh, we love the rivalry with Texas. And I wanted to keep playing them every year. I like playing them that game. That's a good game. People have been playing that rivalry from the A&M with Texas for a long, long time. So, it's kind of sad to watch it go, but we're ready to move forward and create new rivalry. I don't know a lot about SEC. LSU and Alabama. LSU is those two teams at the top of the round. And I've seen them play, and they're pretty good. So I don't know a lot about them, but I see us fitting in. We don't plan on being at the bottom of this league. I think you can do both. I agree with them. I give people respect where respect is due. If we're playing a good team, I'm gonna tell you, we're playing a good team, we're playing a good quarterback, we're playing a good quarterback. Just like, somebody was playing against our team, I want them to say, we're playing a good team. That doesn't mean that we're gonna go in scared and nervous about it. I think we're a pretty tough team too, pretty good too. So, we're not afraid to play against anybody. We're ready to SEC. We're trying to win.